What's going on, guys? It's a Saturday, it's hot, and it's cleanup day. And that's what's going on at Noah's house. All right, guys, I have a ton. You've seen all this stuff back here. I was gonna burn it, but geez, how much fires can I have? I live kind of in the woods, you know that. So I got the old Troy bullet out. I keep her covered up. Took a little bit of messing with the carburetor, but I got her running good. Everything was sharpened up before I put her away last year, maybe the year before. But I'm gonna get chipping. I would record some, but maybe I'll grab my tripod, but it's so loud, it wouldn't be worth it. It's time to do some cleaning up. It's hot out, it's muggy, it rained last night, but gotta clean it up. We're getting a little messy over here. This is what happens sometimes. I know it's small. Some of this wood isn't really dead, hasn't been sitting. I do believe that was from a maple. So it doesn't really shred it. It kind of skins it. And then the bark gets stuck down around the big flywheel. So now I gotta dig it out. See, that's what kind of happens. And then that bark gets stuck on the flywheel, so. But for the most part, works good. Let's chip. Well, as riveting as I know that is for you guys, I'm gonna turn you off now and I'm gonna finish trimming up. And some of them just get too big and I take them down until I got a little nub, and those ones I either set to the side and I got a project I'm trying to fill some voids up there and build some stuff, or we just burn them. But anyways, that's a chipper. That's cleaning up. We got some other things to do today, so I gotta get back at it. Woo, what's up, guys? Hope you enjoyed the little chipping montage there. I got everything chipped down that'll pretty much go through the chipper, except for you always end up with these little teeny tiny bits. But if you guys watch the big bed rebuild, I'll leave a tag or a link to that. Excuse me while I get this bug off me. Right up here. I just start little piles of the sticks that I can't chip and let them sit, and then they turn into some good bed filler. which hopefully next year I can replace some more beds. But I'm sitting down on, I'm having a grapefruit water because I like grapefruit. Got a pipe going down here. Smoking some McBaron. McBaron Red, I do believe. Oh, that's probably not good. But I'll spin you around and I'll show you what I've come up with. Yeah. There is what's left of everything that was right there. And it's a nice pile of chips. I mean, these chippers, they don't make like a commercial grade chip, but they sure make a nice stuff. It goes into the ground, looks real good. And this over here, was before I had my YouTube channel when I I don't want to say built it. When I cleared this, there's a flat spot. But I filled everything I'm walking on right now was chips. Not from that chipper, from Chip Drop and Tree Guys around here. That right there was from earlier. And this is the pile that I end up with that are too big, or, you know, I'm not shoving my hand down in there to get some of them in there. I have this pile of stuff over here. I have an idea of some stuff to do with that. But hey, oh no, look at that. Got some chips. There's some metal. Maybe I should go on that roof over there. But this is going to be a short cleanup video. I thought it was going to be more. I thought I was going to be building this little wall thing out front with some stones that I found. But I decided it was time to clean up over here, because I come over here in my little tractor yesterday because I got some mushroom manure, some compost from a local place, and I couldn't get my tractor turned around because it was just so jammed up. It doesn't matter, my tractor makes me mad because it won't. This is a garden tractor and it won't back up and put a full cart into those bays. And I designed them bays to fit that little cart right there. And anyways, so I got mad and yelled at my tractor. But this is just a quick little something, little cleanup. I think it's pretty neat little day. I like that old chipper. Yeah, that is a good old chipper. It fits the bill for what I need. But that's all I have. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.